Hi everyone, welcome back to Small Engineer Tutorial. Today we have this Homelite HLT25CS Trimmer, and this is the second time we have this unit, and the pull cord doesn't retract. So we'll see what we can do with this unit and how we could fix it, and hopefully we can find a permanent fix or solution to fix this unit. And let's get started. Okay, first is we need to remove this back cover. Then the next part is we need to remove this front assembly. Okay, then we need to disconnect this part here. Now we need to remove the clutch assembly. In order to remove the clutch assembly, we need to block the piston. So there's two ways to block the piston. As in my previous video, I used a piston stopper, but this time I really would like to use the old school by feeding a pull starter. So using a T20, this is T25. So we need to remove the clutch. Okay, to remove the clutch, either to hammer this part here, or you can use any vice grip to undo the clutch. Plate. Okay, now we need to remove this front assembly. Okay. Now we see that the spring inside has come off. So we need to take this retaining plate. Now we need to remove this retaining plate. So the problem is the spring was bent again. So there's a little bit slant here towards that side. I already bent this spring, this end, about that side here, about that angle, and now it's stretched again. So what I did in the past is I drill a hole here. So I drilled twice. This is the second time already. So I drilled two holes, and this is the original hole here. So I drill two of these, so to give a provision for the spring to go in, because it's already from inside. It's already worn out. The problem with this one is, to be honest, it's a really bad design. Sad to say, but it is. And so what happened here is this retaining plate is not good enough to hold this pull starter. There's a little bit of play, so it allows the spring to escape from inside. So this is the second time that we fix this one. So I'm going to make a fix solution. So let's release this tension for now. So I'll take this pulley. Okay, so my solution for this one is I'm going to fix these two together, and there's no more call it easy start. So we'll fix this one like a whole complete pulley. So how I do that is we still needed to place the spring, so that will also helps to give a little bit of tension. So what I did here is I placed the spring inside. I'm going to fix this one. So I drill a hole here. So when I tension the pulley like this, it lines up the two holes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw that. This is the thread locker. So I'm also going to do on the opposite side, maybe 4 of them. Okay, so it's fixed. So we're going to pre-wind the cord. Then we have to tension this one by maybe 3 turns or 4. Okay. So just enough for the cord to retract. So if it's a little bit too tight, then we need to release one more. So we place the plate. Okay. So we're going to assemble this one now. Okay, so let's try to start this one. Put in choke, prime. Thanks for watching our video repair for today. And finally, we're able to fix the pull starter, and that's a permanent solution. So with your case, maybe this is not suitable, and let me know if there's some safety issue regarding the modifications and approach and fixing the pulley. And please don't do the same thing if you think that there's some issue that might arise on that cause some injuries to you. I won't take this responsibility for any injury caused with this video, but this is only for the purpose of this video is for a friend of mine that he is using this trimmer. So this is a way of this is my approach and way of fixing this pull starter, because this is many times, and it happens a couple of times that I fix this one and still have the same problem. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment if you have any concern, questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.